Party makeup isn't just about looking good, it's about expressing yourself, showcasing your creativity, and feeling confident in your skin. It's an art form that can transform an ordinary look into an extraordinary one. So, prepare to dive into the world of party makeup, where color, texture, and technique take center stage. The first step in any makeup routine is always to start with a clean, fresh canvas. A thorough cleanse, followed by a hydrating moisturizer, will ensure your skin is prepped and ready. Remember, makeup will only look as good as the skin underneath it, so never skimp on this step. Next up, primer. Think of it as the secret weapon in your beauty arsenal. Not only does it create a smooth surface for makeup application, but it also helps makeup last longer, making it a must-have for any party. Following primer is the foundation. This step is all about creating an even, flawless complexion. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly and blend it well for a seamless finish. Now, it's time to define those features. A little contouring can go a long way in enhancing your natural bone structure. Apply a contouring product to the hollows of your cheeks, the sides of your nose, and the edges of your forehead to add dimension. Then, let's move on to the eyes. They say eyes are the window to the soul, and with the right makeup, they can be the star of your look. A smoky eye, a pop of color, or a shimmering metallic. The choice is yours. Just remember to blend, and blend some more for a professional finish. Don't forget about those lashes. A coat or two of volumizing mascara can instantly make your eyes appear larger and more awake. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try some false lashes for added drama? And finally, the lips. Whether you prefer a bold red, a subtle nude, or a playful pink, the right lip color can pull your entire look together. And of course, a touch of gloss never hurts for that perfect pout. To wrap it all up, a spritz of setting spray will lock your makeup in place, ensuring it stays put all party long. In this journey, we've covered the importance of party makeup and how it's more than just a beauty routine. We've broken down the process into manageable steps, starting with skin preparation, followed by primer and foundation application, contouring, eye makeup, mascara application, lip color, and finally, setting the makeup. Remember, the key to perfect party makeup lies in the details. The right products, the right techniques, and most importantly, the right attitude. So go ahead, express yourself, and let your creativity shine.